First, what is a parallelogram? This is the definition. First, must be a quadrilateral, four sides, with both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So the parallelogram. This opposite side is parallel. This opposite side is also parallel. So we use double arrow. This is one arrow for this side is parallel. This side is parallel. You can use a sign like this, A, B, C, D, to indicate a parallelogram. But you can use whatever, okay, please? I can from here, A, B, C, D. You can from here, A, B, C, D. It doesn't matter. Do you understand, please? But you cannot say A, B, C, D. That is not good, okay, please? Now we have 4 theorems, means 4 properties on your textbook, 8.3 or 4, 5, 6, whatever, okay, please? Not difficult work. What must be true? You can answer those questions, you understand those 4 theorems. Opposite sides should be what? Who can tell me, please? Yes? Okay. Congruent. Opposite sides must be congruent. Opposite angle should be what? Congruent. Consecutive angles should be what? Supplementary. Means 180 degrees. The sum. Diagonals should be what? Bisect each other. So bisect each other, okay, each other. So this one should be careful. Means we have a parallelogram. 2 diagonals bisect each other. This is a general case. Sometimes for instance, we have a rectangle, or we have a square. Diagonals, not every diagonals, but diagonals are congruent. So bisect each other, every side is congruent. For the square, not only bisect, but also perpendicular each other, 2 diagonals. Rectangle is not 2 diagonals not perpendicular. Square is perpendicular. We will discuss this later, okay? Today we only focus on general parallelogram. Just bisect each other. If this side is 10, this side must be 10. This side is 5, this side must be 5. Do you understand, please? Not everyone is 10, 10. If it's 10, 10 like this, is special parallelogram. So you can see square just like this, square. And the rectangle just like this, more parallelogram is the biggest, okay, please? So square is a very special parallelogram. Rectangle is special. And the square is a special rectangle also, okay, please? For instance, a quadrilateral is a square, then it must be rectangle, must be parallelogram. A quadrilateral is a rectangle, it must be a parallelogram, but maybe not square. Quadrilateral is parallelogram must be quadrilateral, but not maybe not rectangle and square. Okay, please. We have some very easy questions to solve. How to solve? Use those 4 theorems to set up the equation. This part every year is not difficult work, but some students say why we set up an equation like that. Okay, please. First, everyone is a parallelogram. Parallelogram, find A and B. 7A minus 3, 9B minus 2. How to get A and B? This one is 6. So you can find A or B. Find A. Who can give me the best theorem to solve? Find A. Set up an equation. How to set up an equation? Yes?
106 plus 7A minus 3 equals 180.
Thank you so much. Okay? Because adjacent consecutive angles is supplementary. This one plus this one equals 180. Can you use 7a minus 3 plus 9a might be, because two variables you cannot solve, okay? You can find a, not difficult work. Then how to find b? How to set the equation? Yes?
Oh, 9b minus 2 is equal to 106.
Perfect, thank you. Because opposite angle is congruent. 9b minus 2 equals 106. Solve for b. Do you understand, please? Same question like this. How to solve the d? Two diagonals are congruent. So you set up the equation. This one equals this one to solve. Opposite angle side is congruent. Set up the equation. So this part, easy work. Don't make a mistake. Find the value of each variable in those. And first one, okay, that one is the same thing. 3g plus 5, 9h minus 4, they are congruent. Can you use equal to sign to solve? No, because h and g, two variables. 6g minus 14, 9h, you cannot use consecutive for this question. But 3g plus 5, 6g minus 14, perfect. So you get 6g minus 14 plus 3g plus 15 equals to 180. They are supplementary. Do you understand, please? 6g minus 14, 3g plus 5, they are consecutive. They are supplementary. Supplementary, 180. Then find g. When you find g, you plug in, find this angle. They are equal. Okay, we solve together. 9g, negative 9 move there is 189. G is 21. You plug in. G is 21. 3g is 63, 68. So this angle is 68. So this angle is 68 because they are congruent. So you get 9h minus 4 equals to 68. 9h equals 72. H equals to 8. Do you understand, please? Yes or no? Those kind of questions must be there for Wednesday, Thursday quiz. Everyone understanding me or no? Yes, good. Now, the coordinates of A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are given. Plot the points and draw. This question must be there for the quiz. Similar question, please. You need to find something still confused. X, Y. Negative 1 is X coordinates. 3 is Y coordinates. Okay, please. Draw the graph. Draw parallelogram ABCD on the coordinate plane. The quiz will give you coordinate plane. Then draw the diagonals AC and BD. Label the intersection of the diagonals. What are the coordinates of point E? How to solve? For instance, I show you just roughly. Okay, assumption really good. Okay, because assumption may be confused. So A, B, C, D, for instance. Diagonals. This is intersection of two diagonals. Bisect each other. Bisect each other. You use A and C coordinates by the midpoint. That is the point, intersection. Do you understand, please? Please, A is negative 1, positive 3. C is 2, negative 1. So you can use this point, X of P, this P, coordinates of the point P, negative 1 plus 2, negative 1 plus 2 over 2, you get 1/2. Y coordinates of point P is positive 3 plus negative 1 plus negative 1 over 2, you get 1. So this point should be 1/2, 1. Do you understand, please? The midpoint formula you have to remember. The distance formula, for instance, A to B. Distance A to B, you use x sub 2 or x sub B minus x sub A square, y sub B minus y sub square. Do you remember that? You have to remember, okay, please? Now, I'll give you last slides, okay, please? 2 slides away. ABCD is a parallelogram. Find those lengths or missing measurement. Explain. So if you can explain, the proof is very easy work. Okay, please. Although the quiz Wednesday, Thursday will not cover the proof this time, chapter 8 must be there. Okay, please. Not difficult work. We want to find every side, every measurement, every angle. For instance, this is 5. This is right angle. This is 3. This side should be what? 4. Do you understand me, please? Why you get a 4? Because 3, 4, 5 right triangle. This is 3. This is 3. Why this is 3? Because diagonal bisect each other. Because this is 3. This one must be 3. Do you understand, please? You understand me? Don't. This is 4. This is 4. Because this bisect. Is that okay for everyone, please? Right triangle, right triangle. Everyone is right triangle. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. So you find every side length. You should know the reason. Do you understand, please? Now, this is 37 degrees. This is 90 degrees. How many degrees for this? 53. Don't give me 43, 63. Okay, something the quiz that has many careless mistakes, like the last name, first name. Okay, please. 37, 53. So you can see every angle is the same. So this one should be 37, 53. 37, 53. 37, 53. You can see every angle is right angle, right angle, right angle, right angle. This shape, this quadrilateral should be what? Should be what? This is a very special parallelogram. Who can tell me what is the shape?
Square.
Square? Square or not square?
Square.
If square, okay, look at board, please. This is 3, this is 4. No. This one should be what? Rectangle. Yes. Do you understand, please? Rectangle. 3, 4, 3, 4. If every side is count, this is 3, this is 3, this is 3, this is 3. Do you understand, please? So this shape should be a rectangle. We have not learned yet, okay? So you just know by 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, you can find this one. Just very small. This is rounded to 37. This angle should be 36.9 something degrees. Rounded to 37. This angle should be 53.1 something degrees. But not whole number. 37 just rounded to 37, 53. 3, 4, 5. If this is 3, 4, 5 triangle, this one should be 36.9 or this one should be 53.1. Not exactly 37, 53. Now, how to prove? How to prove? Ways to prove. This is 8.3. I just go over this one. Easy work. We have 5 ways to prove. This will happen to your test, not for tomorrow, but I hope you understand. Listen to me, okay, please? How to prove? We need to know find the distance formula, midpoint formula, slope. Assumption the slope is y sub 2 minus y sub 1, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Something is still confused. Use x sub 2 minus x 1 over y sub 2. That is horrible mistake. Okay, please. Show first both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So give you a quadrilateral. You want to prove this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. First way, both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. This is parallel. Those two sides are parallel. You have to prove twice. Means what? You have to find the slope. Find the slope by the formula to find. So if this one is 3 over 5, this is 3 over 5, not finished. You have to find this one. Maybe this is negative 2 over 3, negative 2 over 3. Good. two pairs, opposite side slope is the same, they are parallel. Now you can prove they are. This figure is a parallelogram. Lots of work to prove, not difficult work. So both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. How to prove this side and this side parallel? You have to find the slope. How to get the slope formula? You understand me or not? Yes? Second, so both pairs of opposite sides are congruent. You can find this side and this side. For instance, you get this side is 15, this side is 15, the length, not enough. This side is 7, this side is 7, good. How to get the distance? You use the formula, distance, x sub 2 minus x sub 1 parentheses square, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 parentheses square, don't forget the square root. The distance are the same, good. Number 3, so both pairs of opposites are, angles are congruent. So this question is a little bit more difficult. We very few times use this way to solve. Why? Who can tell me? This angle, how to prove those two angles are congruent? It's not easy work. Do you understand, please? We have not learned so many trigonometries. So number 3 is the way not many questions use. So you have to prove this angle is congruent. This angle is congruent. How to get this angle congruent? You can use this way to solve. You can use sine law, cosine law, just lots of work. Do you understand, please? So both pairs, opposite sides are congruent is not easy work. I hope you use number 1, number 2. Don't use number 3. Number 4, number 5, yes. So one pair of opposites are congruent and parallel. We have a quadrilateral. So this side is parallel, and this pair of sides also congruent. It's enough. You don't need to take care of this pair. If one pair, not only parallel, but also congruent, it's enough. So this is a very smart way, easy way, less work way. I hope you take this way. Solve the diagonals, bisect each other. This is good, okay? So for instance, we have a quadrilateral. We don't know they are parallel. If bisect each other, diagonals bisect each other, you find this point. So you can, this point is A, B, C, D. You can use A, B, find the midpoint. Can you remember the form? X equals x of 1 plus x of 2 over 2, y equals to, you find this point, you use this one, find this point, those 2 points are the same point, is enough. Yes, please? Those 2 points, midpoint, for instance, you get this point is 3, 2. You use this point and this point also 3, 2. Do you understand, please? So this is bisect each other. 2 diagonals bisect each other, it's enough. So you have generally 5 ways, but I hope you learn 4 ways. First, both pairs, opposite sides congruent. Second, both pairs of opposite sides parallel. Number 3, only one pair, not only parallel, but also congruent, is enough. Last one, they bisect each other. How to get they bisect each other? The coordinates, x of 1 plus x of 2 over 2. Y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. You get 2. For instance, you get 3, 2. Use this one, x of 1 plus x of 2 over 2. Get 3. Y sub 1 plus x also 2. Good. This point is intersection point. It's enough. So 8.3 is not difficult work. Y is hard, but sometimes they forget the distance formula. For the midpoint, find the slope. Okay, slope. Again, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. That is the slope. Slope is the same, means they are parallel. For instance, this is 2/3. This is 2/3. They are parallel. Do you understand, please? Good. Everything for chapter 8.23 is here. Do assignment on the board. 8.2, 8.3.